So this is some of the stuff I've gotten for week 1. Lots of veggies. So this is a really good meal plan if you like variety. I find that, I mean, half my groceries were vegetables and fruit. So that is a thumbs up. Some of these I just don't have. So I don't have chia seeds. So some of this is going to be like an initial investment of items like coconut oil. I don't own that. So this will be used for the whole entire month. Chia seeds are kind of one of those. Maple syrup, like pure maple syrup is one of them. Sesame seed oil. I actually usually have this, but I ran out. Red curry paste was one of these. This is new for me. I'm kind of excited. But yeah, almond milk, the Rice Krispie cereal, and then there's like different types of cheeses. Rolled oats is another one. There's a lot of overnight oats. Greek yogurt, plain. Some frozen veggies. Some of this stuff is not a part of it. Like this is for Chris. Bacon, eggs, chocolate chips. Again, another kind of investment. Coffee creamers for coffee. Kombucha for Chris for his insides. Blue cheese, vegetables. I think that's about it. But most of this is for my week 1. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all away, and I need to clean because this is a hot mess express. Okay, so a few of the breakfasts, if you can see, are overnight oats, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm not really a big fan of overnight oats. I don't know what it is. I just don't like oatmeal that much. I don't know, I like oatmeal anyways, but there's basically just Greek yogurt, chia seeds, oatmeal, cinnamon, honey, vanilla extract, and it's supposed to be carrot cake. So there's carrots, and then there's like almonds in the bottom, but like straight up, I do not like crunchy stuff in my oatmeal. So I packed it this way because I always gave it a chance, but like that's just too much crunch in my oatmeal, and I'm just trying to get it down because I don't even like it. So I just put like a little saran wrap in there, and then I put the toppings in so that way I don't have to individually do this every morning, and then I can just dump the toppings in like that so they don't get soggy. I try to do anything that doesn't involve me having to do much in the morning. So yeah, that is the overnight oats. I've also been drinking a gallon of water, guys. Like, I swear by this. I have this big gallon that Chris's mom got me, and I drink one of these a day, and this literally helps. I know it's so stupid, but like if you want to just start in like one step, like you don't want to work out, you don't want to change your meal plan, just drink a gallon of water. Just do it. I get one that's literally a gallon so you don't have to bother to refill it. I know it's so ridiculous. It is huge, but I bring it everywhere. And I try to finish this by like 5, 6 o'clock so I'm not like peeing all night. It says till 9 p.m. at the bottom, but I do by 5 or 6. Just do the gallon one. Just trust me on that one. That's why I think that it says 179 right now, but I think that's because I've been drinking a gallon of water and I've been peeing a lot. So who knows what that means, but I feel a lot better after drinking a whole gallon. Like, I'm super thirsty right now because it's almost 9 and I haven't drinking anything other than a little bit for my workout. So I like to fill that up. But yeah, just do it, guys. Gallon of water. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is what I weigh right now. I've been drinking a gallon of water a day, so this could be water weight. I don't know, but I was 182 at the beginning of this week. So I'm not going to be that excited about it because I fluctuate so much that could be... Watch, I don't even know if this scale is right. No, I guess it's right. So who knows? But yeah, that's it. Okay, so basically I was at 160. I lost about 15 pounds. I was at 160, almost breaking 160, and I was training with this girl at this gym, and she was training me so hard to where at one point I like was 20 minutes into the workout and I felt so lightheaded, and I had like black patches and like I was seeing stars, legit seeing like sparklies, and I felt so like I was about to pass out, and so I couldn't even finish the workout. And then from there I just never went back to her because I like to work out hard, but I don't want to feel like I can't finish my workout, because what is the point of working out hard if you're just gonna pass out? Like, you just can't finish your workout. So after that I stopped going to the gym because it like that burnt me out so bad, and it fucked with my mind, excuse my language, but it just messed with me so bad. So we're gonna get back on track. We're gonna do it this way. The reason I chose the Fit Girls guide was because I love the food on there. I think it is completely doable. Like, that is not a diet to me, that is just eating better. Like I said earlier, when I fill my grocery cart up within the week, majority of it is fruits and vegetables, and then obviously proteins and stuff, and I still get my carbs in some sort of way. I still get snacks, and then there's also like a chocolate dessert at the end, and I don't feel guilty about it all. Do you know what I mean? And you can even swap out like your snacks or your desserts for, you know, a glass of wine. Like, if you know you're gonna have a glass of wine, you can opt to not have your dessert and have a glass of wine. It is like a lifestyle change. I don't find it as a diet, so that's why I'm doing it again, but with the new meals. So if you're one of those people, highly recommend it. Highly recommend. But yeah, so I'll show you what I'm eating today. It's day 3, and I'll show you what I pack for work, and some tips about it. But so far so good. Everything's pretty good. I'll let you know right now, the lunch does not look that good because it's packed. If you make it fresh, it looks better, but it still tastes really good, like super good. But yeah, so this is how sweaty I am from 30 minutes of her workout. I don't know how I got that sweaty, but it also was stuffy. Excuse me, it was also stuffy in the house, so who knows. But this is what I look like now. I don't really know what my goal is, to be honest. I wish I could just lose weight because I feel like bloated. This quarantine has really got me feeling like crap about myself. I don't know what it is. I've never been this heavy in my life. This is the heaviest I've ever been, and I was down at 160 like a year ago, and then basically, I'll tell you right now. I'll tell you right now.
The heck you staring at?
Catch.
Oh,
It is.
how you doing?